This video will show you the process of installing the new LCTech extraction. First up, unpacking the device. Please start by removing the transportation locks around the package. Then remove the packaging upwards as shown in this example. In the packaging, you will find the solvent tray to the left of the device under the screen, and the accessories as well as the power cable on top of the device. When you place the device on a table, please mind the solvent supply and waste tubes on the right side of the device. Please note that due to the weight, it is recommended that 2 persons carry the device. Next, the hardware setup. Please place the solvent tray on top of the device. Connect the extraction to power. You will find the power input on the back side of the device in the top left corner. As standard, all our devices are delivered with a Type E and F plug. For other types of outlets, you will need a different cable. To unfold the screen, you only need to loosen the lever and move the screen to a comfortable position. Then fasten the lever. Now, please turn on the extraction. Please note that the first startup might take some time. The video has been sped up, so do not worry if it takes a few minutes and do not turn the device off. Please connect the solvent. For this, please remove the red cable ties. The tubes each have a label with their corresponding port numbers. Please remember which solvent you connect to which port for the software setup. Next, please connect the waste. If there are any red cable ties remaining, please remove them. Then, connect the tubes to the waste bottle. Please note that you will likely want to use a bigger bottle than in this example. And the last thing for the hardware setup, the nitrogen. The nitrogen connection needs to be a 1/8 inch tube with a 1/4-28 UNF fitting. The pressure of the nitrogen should be around 3 bar. This nitrogen supply tube is then connected to the white union at the end of the tube marked N2 coming from the extraction. Please place the bottles on top of the device. While doing that, please make sure that there is no tension on the tubes. If you have any unused solvent supply tubes, you can use the red cable ties to tidy them up. Step 3. The software setup. When you start the extraction, you will be greeted by the login screen. The standard user does not require a password. Just press the arrow to log in. Once logged in, press Home to get to the home screen. For more information on users, please consult the manual. To open the configuration, please press the button in the top right of the screen. Here, you can change the language as well as the time and date. Press Home to get back to the home screen. Now, please name the solvents. For this, please go to Settings on the home screen and then to Parameters. Here you can enter which solvent is connected to which port. When you have entered the name, just press the Enter button to confirm. Once you are finished, press Back to get to the home screen again. The final step. Prepare the extraction for use. First, please purge the solvent lines. For this, please enter the Purge menu on the home screen. Make sure that all solvents in use are selected and press Start. This process has been sped up for the video. Once finished, press the Back button to go back to the home screen. Finally, please rinse the system. The rinse option can be accessed directly from the home screen. Here you can enter your desired volume and flow rate for the rinsing cycle. For the first rinse, please use at least 15 ml, better 20 to 30 ml. For the flow rate, 40 ml per minute will work fine. Please place the dummy cell into the cell holder. Then, firmly push it into the system until you can feel and hear the heating elements gripping the cell. An empty vial needs to be placed in the vial holder, then move down the needle. Now you can start the rinsing cycle by pressing the Start button. This process has also been sped up. Once finished, the extraction will automatically release the cell holder, but please wait until the tower is fully open before removing the cell holder. Finished! Your new extraction system is now ready for use. If you have any questions, please consult the manual or contact us. Thank you for choosing an LCTech system. We hope that you enjoy using your new extraction.